Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's daily LeetCode question is merge nodes in between zero. So we are given a linked list and there are some zero nodes in the linked list. So we have to merge the nodes between one zero node and another zero node. So we have to merge all nodes between these two zeros. So it is guaranteed that the beginning and the ending of the node values will be zero. So we have to return a list with merging all the nodes lying between both the zeros. Let's look into example to understand this problem. So the example one. So let us consider this as our linked list. So we can see that the nodes between these two zeros are 3 and 1. Hence the summation of those nodes are 4 and the other other three nodes are 4, 5, 2. So summation of these three nodes are 11. So we have to return another linked list containing 4 pointing towards 11 and 11 points towards null. I hope you understand this question. So let's look into another example. So let us consider this as our example 2, and you can see that the nodes between these two zero nodes are 1 and these two zero nodes is 3. These two zero nodes are 4. Hence the solution will be 1 pointing towards 3 pointing towards 4. Okay guys, this will be our input as well as the output. Let's look into the intuition for this problem. Okay guys, let's look into the intuition 1. So there is a clear intuition that we have to maintain the summation for the nodes between zeros. Yes guys, so we have to maintain the summation for the nodes between zeros. So the intuition one will be we can create another linked list with a dummy linked list with 0, and we will continue to add the values to it until we will find another 0. Okay guys, so initially the new result list will be 0 and we will add 3, it will become 3. We will add 1, it will become 4. Whenever we encounter a 0, we will create a new node to it. Again, we will repeat the same process. It is not 0, so we will add 4 to it. It is not 0, so we will add 5 to the new node. Hence, it will be 9. It is 2, so we will add 2 to the 9. It will be 11. So, hence you can see that 4 pointing to 11 will be the new list. At the end of the, if it is the last 0 or the ending node, we will just point this to null. We will not create any more new node. Okay guys, so this will be our approach one. So what leads to this approach, time complexity will be equal as other approaches, but the space complexity of this program may be big O of n, because uh, while creating new linked list as a result node, we can say that if there is a linked list for 0 pointing 1 and again 0, so vice versa, then this may lead to the big O of n space complexity. So we need to maintain a big O of 1 space complexity and big O of n time complexity. We can make we can come with another better approach. So let's look into that approach. Okay guys, let's look into the intuition 2. So we can modify the given list and we will return that list only, which leads to space complexity of big O of 1 and the time complexity of big O of n. Okay guys, let's look into the intuition 2. So we will be taking two pointers, which is a slow pointer and a fast pointer, and we will be adding the values to the slow pointer if it is not equal to 0. Okay guys, if the fast value is not equal to 0, we will add that value to the slow point. So let's look into the intuition part. So initially our slow will be at head and fast will be at head of next. So if fast pointer value is not equal to 0, we will just add the fast pointer value to the slow pointer and it will become 3. So we will move the fast pointer here, and 1 is also not equal to 0. So we will add it to the slow pointer only. Then our slow pointer will become 4. And again we will move our fast pointer to 0. Hence here you can see that the value of fast pointer is equal to 0. Then we will change the direction of slow pointer to the fast pointer, and we will update our slow pointer to fast pointer's position. Okay guys, then our linked list, currently our linked list will be 4 pointing to 0 and 0 pointing to 4 and 4 pointing to 5, 5 pointing to 2 and 2 pointing to 0. This will be our modified list. Hence, our slow pointer is also at 0 and our fast pointer is also at 0. And we will again perform the same operation. We will move it to the further. If fast pointer value is not equal to 0, we will just add that value to the slow pointer. Then it will become 4. Again we will move the fast pointer. Fast pointer value is not equal to 0. Then we will add it to the slow pointer value. Then it will become 9. So again we will move the fast pointer, and fast pointer's value is not equal to 0. Then we will add it to the slow pointer. Then it will become 11. So now the fast pointer value is 0. And you can see that the fast pointer value is 0 and it is the last node of the list. How can you find out is the last node? The last node values next will be null. Yes guys? Then we will make the slow pointer value as next. Otherwise, we will iterate our slow pointer to the fast pointer. If it is not the last node, hence it is the last node, we will not move the slow pointer and we will be returning our head. Hence, the result will be 4, 11 and null. I hope you understand the solution and intuitions. Let's look into the code explanation. Okay guys, let's look into the code explanation. So as I initially said, slow and fast pointer will be pointing to the head and head of next. While our fast is not equal to null, we will be iterating the loop and we will be checking if our fast pointer is equal to 0. Then we have to move our slow pointer to the fast pointer. So this is the condition 1. What if it's the last node of the list? Hence I have said previously that if the fast dot next equal to null, then we will not moving slow anywhere. We will be just converting slow dot next to null, and hence it is the end of the list. Or else we will, if it is not equal to 0, fast dot value is not equal to 0, then we will be adding our fast dot value to the slow pointer value. Hence this is the common iteration, because we have to move the fast pointer to iterate over the list, and we are not modifying the head anymore, so we will be returning head only. I hope you understand the solution, intuition and the code. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.